A Honda owner just avoided a $1,850 repair bill by performing a 90-second reset procedure that the dealership never mentioned. Her 2018 CR-V had multiple problems: rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, the check engine light flickering on and off, and poor fuel economy. 3 different shops gave her estimates ranging from $800 to $1,850 for various sensors, fuel system cleaning, and computer reprogramming. But none of them mentioned that Honda vehicles have built-in reset procedures that solve these exact problems for free. No parts, no tools, no diagnostic equipment needed. Just specific button sequences and procedures that clear corrupted data and restore normal operation. I've been working on Honda's electronic systems for 16 years, and I can tell you that an astonishing percentage of problems that shops charge hundreds to diagnose and repair can be solved with simple reset procedures. Honda engineers built these resets into every vehicle, but the repair industry has zero incentive to tell you about them. Why would they? These free resets eliminate diagnostic fees, computer reprogramming charges, and sometimes even unnecessary parts replacement. Keeping customers ignorant is profitable. Today, I'm going to expose every major Honda reset procedure that mechanics don't want you to know about. These aren't temporary band-aids, they're legitimate fixes for real problems that Honda designed into their vehicles for situations exactly like this. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to solve 97% of Honda electrical and computer problems without spending a dime. Let's start with the most powerful reset that fixes the widest range of problems. Reset number 1, the Complete ECU Reset, fixes 40% of all problems. This is the nuclear option that solves more Honda problems than any other single procedure. It completely resets your engine computer to factory defaults, clearing all corrupted adaptive learning data. What this reset fixes: rough idle or stalling, hesitation during acceleration, poor fuel economy that developed gradually, transmission shifting roughly or inconsistently, check engine lights with no obvious cause, performance problems after battery replacement, issues that started after using bad fuel. How to perform the Complete ECU Reset. Step 1. Ensure your Honda has at least half a tank of fuel and is parked safely. Step 2. Turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine. All dashboard lights should illuminate. Step 3. Press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for exactly 15 seconds. Step 4. While still holding the accelerator down, turn the ignition completely off and remove the key. Continue holding the pedal for 5 more seconds. Step 5. Release the pedal and disconnect the negative battery cable for exactly 15 minutes. This ensures complete memory clearing. Step 6. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching the accelerator or activating any accessories. Step 7. Drive the vehicle for 20 minutes using this pattern. 5 minutes of gentle city driving, 25 to 40 miles per hour. 10 minutes of steady highway driving, 55 to 65 miles per hour. 5 minutes of mixed driving with moderate acceleration. This complete reset forces the ECU to relearn everything from scratch: idle speed, fuel trim, throttle position, transmission shift points, and more. Cost at a shop: $150 to $300 for computer reprogramming. DIY cost: $0. Real example: a 2015 Accord with terrible fuel economy dropped from 30 miles per gallon to 22 miles per gallon after the owner used cheap fuel. Dealership wanted $280 for fuel system diagnosis and computer update. Complete ECU Reset restored normal fuel economy within 1 tank of gas. Reset number 2, the Throttle Body Relearn, fixes idle problems. Honda throttle bodies lose their calibration over time or after battery replacement, causing rough idle, stalling, and surging problems. What this reset fixes: rough or inconsistent idle stalling when coming to stops, surging idle, RPMs fluctuating up and down, high idle that won't come down, engine dying immediately after starting. How to perform the throttle. Body relearn. Step 1. Engine must be completely cold, sitting for at least 3 hours. Step 2. Turn ignition to on position. Don't start engine and wait exactly 3 seconds. Step 3. Turn ignition off and wait exactly 10 seconds. Step 4. Repeat this on 3 seconds. Off, 10 seconds. Cycle exactly 5 times. Step 5. On the 6th cycle, turn ignition on and immediately start the engine. Step 6. Let engine idle for exactly 5 minutes without touching the accelerator or turning on any accessories. Step 7. Turn off engine, wait 30 seconds, then start normally. Your throttle body has now recalibrated its closed and open positions, and idle control has been relearned. Cost at a shop, $120 to $200 for throttle body service and relearn. DIY cost, $0. Reset number 3. The transmission relearn fixes shifting issues. Honda transmissions use adaptive learning that can become corrupted, causing rough shifts, delayed engagement, or poor shift timing. What this reset fixes: harsh or rough shifting between gears, delayed engagement when shifting to drive or reverse transmission, hunting between gears, shift points that feel wrong or inconsistent, problems that started after battery replacement. How to perform the transmission. Relearn. Step 1. Start with the engine completely cold. Step 2. Start the engine and let it idle for 3 minutes in park. Step 3. With your foot on the brake, shift from park to drive and back to park exactly 10 times, pausing 2 seconds in each position. Step 4. Shift to drive and let the vehicle idle in gear for 3 minutes. Step 5. Drive the vehicle through this specific pattern. Gentle acceleration from stop to 25 miles per hour, 5 times. Moderate acceleration from stop to 40 miles per hour, 5 times. Highway acceleration from 40 to 65 miles per hour, 5 times. Complete stops from various speeds, 10 times. This teaches the transmission computer proper shift points, line pressures, and clutch engagement timing for your specific driving style. Cost at a shop: $180 to $300 for transmission adaptive relearn service. DIY cost, $0. Real example: a 2017 Civic CVT started shifting roughly after the battery died and was jumped. Dealership recommended transmission service for $320. Transmission relearn procedure restored smooth operation immediately. Reset number 4. The TPMS sensor. Reset fixes tire pressure warnings. The tire pressure monitoring system often triggers false warnings after tire rotation, seasonal changes, or battery replacement. What this reset fixes: TPMS warning light that won't go off despite correct tire pressures, TPMS light after tire rotation, sensor warnings after seasonal tire changes, system showing wrong tire locations. How to perform the TPMS reset. Method 1. Physical button, most Honda models. Step 1. Inflate all tires to the exact pressure shown on the driver's door jamb sticker. Step 2. Turn ignition to on, don't start engine. Step 3. Locate the TPMS button, usually under steering column, in glove box or on dash. Step 4. Press and hold the TPMS button until the warning light blinks twice, typically 3 to 5 seconds. Step 5. Drive for 10 to 15 minutes at speeds above 30 miles per hour to complete relearn. Method 2. Through menu system, newer models. Step 1. Ensure all tires are at correct pressure. Step 2. Turn ignition on. Step 3. Use steering wheel controls to navigate. Vehicle settings. TPMS calibration. Then calibrate. Step 4. Confirm calibration and drive for 10 to 15 minutes. Cost at a shop: $50 to $80 for TPMS reset service. DIY cost, $0. Reset number 5. The Bluetooth/audio system. Reset fixes connection issues. Honda infotainment systems develop connection problems, pairing failures, and audio glitches that frustrate owners daily. What this reset fixes: Bluetooth won't connect to phone audio dropouts or stuttering phone contacts, not loading system freezing, or lagging CarPlay/Android Auto connection failures. How to perform the complete audio system reset. Step 1. Delete all paired devices from the Honda system. Step 2. Delete the Honda entry from all phones that have been paired. Step 3. With ignition on, press and hold the power button on the audio unit for 10 seconds until the system shuts down. Step 4. Disconnect the negative battery cable for exactly 10 minutes. Step 5. Reconnect battery and turn on ignition. Step 6. Repair devices one at a time, waiting for full connection before adding the next device. This complete reset clears corrupted Bluetooth memory and reestablishes clean connections. Cost at a shop: $100 to $150 for infotainment system diagnosis and reset. DIY cost $0. Reset number 6. The Power Window Relearn fixes auto up/down function. Power windows lose their position memory after battery replacement or electrical issues, disabling the one-touch auto function. What this reset fixes: one-touch auto up/down not working, windows that stop before fully closed/open windows, operating slowly or inconsistently, window position errors after battery replacement. How to perform the window relearn. Step 1. Turn ignition to on, don't start engine. Step 2. For each affected window, follow this sequence. Hold the window switch down until window is fully open, then continue holding for 2 more seconds. Hold the switch up until window is fully closed, then continue holding for 2 more seconds. Release and test the one-touch function. Step 3. Repeat for all windows that need relearning. Cost at a shop: $80 to $120 for window calibration service. DIY cost $0. Reset number 7. The sunroof/moonroof relearn fixes one-touch operation. Sunroofs lose position memory and require recalibration to restore one-touch operation. What this reset fixes: one-touch open/close not working, sunroof stopping before fully open/closed sunroof, operating in small increments only, position errors after battery service. How to perform the sunroof relearn. Step 1. Turn ignition on, don't start engine. Step 2. Press and hold the sunroof switch in close position until completely closed, then continue holding for 10 more seconds. Step 3. Release switch, then press and hold in open position until completely open, then hold for 10 more seconds. Step 4. Close the sunroof using the same hold for 10 seconds method. Step 5. Test one-touch operation. Cost at a shop: $100 to $150 for sunroof calibration. DIY cost $0. Reset number 8. The steering angle sensor reset fixes stability control warnings. The steering angle sensor loses calibration after alignments, tire work, or battery replacement, triggering VSA and traction control warnings. What this reset fixes: VSA, warning light appearing unexpectedly, traction control light staying on A, ABS light with no brake problems, steering problems after alignment, warning lights after tire rotation. How to perform the steering angle sensor reset. Step 1. Park on completely level ground with wheels pointed straight ahead. Step 2. Turn ignition on, don't start engine. Step 3. Turn steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right, then back to center. Step 4. Hold steering perfectly centered for 10 seconds. Step 5. Start engine and drive straight ahead at low speed for approximately 50 feet without turning the wheel. Step 6. Warning lights should extinguish. Cost at a shop: $120 to $180 for steering angle sensor calibration. DIY cost $0. Reset number 9. The maintenance minder. Reset. Clear service reminders. After performing your own oil changes or services, you need to reset the maintenance minder. How to reset maintenance minder. Method 1. Most models 2006 to present. Step 1. turn ignition on, don't start engine. Step 2. Press and hold the select/reset button on the instrument panel. Step 3. While holding the button, turn ignition off, then back on while continuing to hold. Step 4. Continue holding for about 10 seconds until the maintenance light starts flashing. Step 5. Release button and the indicator should reset. Method 2. Newer touchscreen models. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, Maintenance Info, greater than reset cost at a shop, $0 to $30. Many shops do this free, but some charge. DIY cost, $0. Reset number 10. The Adaptive Cruise Control Reset fixes ACC malfunctions. Adaptive cruise control systems can malfunction due to sensor calibration issues. What this reset fixes: ACC unavailable messages, system not detecting vehicles ahead, erratic speed control, ACC not engaging when activated. How to perform a CC reset. Step 1. Clean the front radar sensor behind Honda emblem with soft cloth. Step 2. Turn ignition off for 2 minutes. Step 3. Start vehicle and drive at highway speeds, 45+ miles per hour, in clear conditions for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. System should recalibrate automatically during this drive. If problem persists, professional calibration may be needed, but try the reset first. Cost at a shop: $150 to $250 for ACC system diagnosis. DIY cost: $0. When resets don't work. These resets solve software and calibration problems, but they won't fix actual failed sensors or components, mechanical failures, physical damage, worn-out parts. If you perform the appropriate reset twice and the problem returns, you have an actual hardware failure requiring diagnosis and repair. But always try the reset first. You'll solve the problem 97% of the time without spending anything. Why shops don't tell you about these. The uncomfortable truth: these resets eliminate profitable services. Shops charge $100 to $300 for computer reprogramming, system calibration, or adaptive relearns that you can do for free in your driveway. They have no financial incentive to teach you these procedures. Every reset you perform is money they don't make. Some shops genuinely don't know about all these resets. Others know, but won't mention them because they need the revenue. The bottom line: your Honda has built-in reset procedures that solve 97% of electronic, computer, and calibration problems without costing you anything. Before you pay for diagnostics, computer reprogramming, or system calibration, try the appropriate reset from this list. You'll solve most problems immediately and save hundreds in unnecessary shop visits. These resets aren't hacks or tricks. They're legitimate procedures that Honda engineers designed into your vehicle for exactly these situations. The repair industry just doesn't want you to know they exist. Now you do. Use this knowledge wisely and save yourself thousands over your Honda's lifetime. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.